Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another little outing of mine. It's about 1 o'clock right now, so I'm probably going to fish till maybe 5:30. I don't know, depends on how the outing goes. And right now I'm just getting all set up with the GoPro and whatnot. Um, Water's on the cooler side, probably about mid-60s, and very clear water. So I brought two rods with me. I brought my medium light spinning rod with 12-pound fluorocarbon and my 7.3 medium heavy crankbait rod with 10-pound braid and I believe 14-pound fluorocarbon leader. So, just want to see what I could get into in this 4-hour session or so, and hope it's a blast. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, since we're dealing with clear water, I'm going to try to go with a natural pattern first, and then as it gets darker, you know the deal, go darker. Man, this water is super clear. Like I can almost see all the way to the bank over there. Well, hopefully the bass are biting good today. There we go. There we go, little guy. First bass of the day. Little turd biscuit. But that felt good. Thank you, little buddy. Aha. Alright, one down, 25 to go. Wow, even smaller bass. I barely felt this guy hit it too. Where's the big ones at? Alright, little man, thank you. 2 for 2 on the little jumps. Always love them. Let's try black and blue. Alright, we got the pressure dropping fast here on my barometer right here. Definitely see it, so hopefully it triggers some bites here. It's been pretty slow here. Figure I might have some good luck with overcast skies, but we are in the first third of winter. Here we go. It's a decent one, and it got off. There we go. There we go. That's a decent one. Come here. Come to daddy. Alright, alright. There we go. Probably 1 3/4 pounds right here. Nice. Alright guys, nice. I don't have my scale with me because I need to get batteries for it. But see how much this bass. Got about 15.5-inch bass right here. So 1.5 pounds, 1 3/4 pounds. Nice. There we go. That bass came back for it too. Wow. This little booger. Man, all the bass are on the small side today. Look at this. Another little dink. Alright, little man. Ooh. So that makes the 5th bass. I didn't get the other one on camera here. The one I caught before this. I was casting with the wind towards this bank here, and I got one on the swim bait there. About a little bit bigger than that one. So far not too bad, but it's a bunch of dinks, but still got 5 on the board. That one's pretty cool. I didn't even feel that bass hit the bait. I just saw the line moving both times. It was going that way and I felt a little tug, so I set the hook, but I guess he just had it in the mouth and was just carrying it. And then I just let it fall again and waited, and I saw the line moving that way. Felt some more tugs and set the hook. There we go. This one feels good, better. Thank you. This one gave up quick. Another little guy. Alright, thank you, little buddy. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have thrown him in there. These bass might be stacked up over here. Let's try that again. Ooh, it's getting windier. Hopefully the storm doesn't come this way. If it does rain somewhere else. That way I could fish the last hour before it gets dark. There we go. No? Yep. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh, that is a good one, boys. Get over here. Nice. Yeah, look at this stud. Fatty right here. Alright guys, let's see how big this bass is. Nice chunk. Nice chunk. Yeah, go about 17-inch. Close your mouth. There we go, relax. Yeah, 17-inch bass right here, so pretty much about a 2.5 pounder. Nice. All right, let's let this chunk go. They're right out there too. Nice. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was looking at the radar, see if the rain is coming. Let's see. Oh yeah, we definitely got some rain coming. Look at that, guys. Dang, he'll be here in a little bit. Well, might as well suit up. I brought my military poncho here. There we go. Is this another good one? I hope so. It feels like it. Oh yeah, it's another 2-pounder. Look at him trying to break free. Get over here. Oh yeah, look at this little fatty. Nice. I think this is second biggest of the day just because of that little belly. This is nice. Probably about a 15-inch bass. Good stuff. No. Here we go. Another little guy. This makes bass number 8 right here. Easy there, Hondo. Look at this tiny little thing. Dink City over here. Dink City. But I ain't complaining. Still catching fish. Alright. There we go. There we go. Nice. A little bigger than the last. A little bit bigger. Alright, little guy, thank you. That's it, Indian style right here. Feels a little weird, but whatever. So far, 2 bass in the rain though. I always like catching bass in the rain. This is cold rain too. But so far, this watermelon red has been getting most bites and the biggest bite. I got one off a black and blue worm, and that might be the second or third biggest bass. I don't know, but I caught it over there on that corner, and caught one off a green pumpkin swim bait. But yeah, this watermelon red, it's a little different than the one I like from Zoom. This one's like a darker, more solid color, and a little thicker body, slightly thicker. But I do like to use it in you know, slightly darker water, darker conditions. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah, baby. Do not get off. Nice solid bass. Look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, guys. Nice. Alright, thank you, buddy. Got that one swimming the worm. Just really slow, too. I didn't even feel him hit it. I just felt the line. Just like line pressure. Alright, guys. Just caught this little guy off a black and blue stick bait. Come on. There we go, guys. That is the 10th bass of the day. I had to pull my kayak out of the water Did a little bank fishing. Guys, this is another bass I just caught off of that same stick bait here. 19.5 inches. Guys, just bank fishing right out here where I caught that little one. This makes the 11th bass of the day too. Biggest bass too. This is probably about 3.5, between 3.5 and 4 pounds. Let's let her go. Alright. Wrong way. Look at that. Freaking stud right there. Nice. Alright guys, as you can see, I am done fishing. Still in my little poncho here. Still raining lightly. I kind of wish it stopped earlier, but yeah, I ran out of juice out on the kayak and didn't really want to change the batteries while it was still raining pretty good. So I called it. Was able to pull in 9 bass out of the area right behind me here, past the tree line. And I decided to hit this lake up here just to do a little bank fishing with a stick bait, and was able to catch 2 more bass. And the last one was a nice one too. Put up a really nice fight on my medium light spinning rod. Too bad I couldn't get it all on video for you guys, but I did get the release, so pretty awesome. About 19.5 inch fish, so gotta say it's probably about a 310, 311, I'm guessing. Could be wrong, but you know, usually a bass in that size range is around that in poundage. But that was pretty cool to finish the night off with that last chunk right there. And yeah, I'm happy with everything. Had to move extra slow, work the bottom, and I was able to come with a W. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little outing, and until next time, tight lines and keep fishing. I'll see you on the next one. Later.